in storage, you're probably going, hey, wait a minute, you're in the storage unit. Oh, yes. While I was digging through files, I found some lost footage. Uh, so I'm going to go ahead and cut to the lost footage and let you watch, and then we'll talk about it.
Alrighty then. Uh, the fact that it's offset is actually, in this case, is a good thing. Normally we would try and avoid that, but in this case it's okay. I'm going to need to run it over the grinder, and we'll finish it up. I'll see you over there. All right, here we go. This is it. That's all there is to it. Yes, the offset is supposed to be there. Anyway, so that's it. I would like to see you for the next episode. I'm not sure what. Next one's going to be the redo of the fishing fork. Do it done properly. So stick around for that. Hit the reminder and subscribe button so you get that notification. Anyway, see you then. Remember, you wonderful people.
Anyway, here we are at the end. This is the bladder, as you can see. And the reason, it is fairly symmetrical this way, but as you can see this way, this was actually, I didn't mind because it was going to need to go under things a little bit. And yes, I have my tool holder for it. I just don't have it out at the moment. I'd have to go digging. This would just happen to be, literally right on the top. I opened up the box. The box was on the top. Opened up the box. It was on the top of all of the other pieces. So there it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all later. Hopefully we'll have a forge and be doing fresh projects soon. Remember, you are wonderful people.